guys, today I've got a Target dollar section shop with me and haul, a super easy DIY project, simple ideas that are actually affordable. I couldn't wait to make this video. I know it's a little bit early, but I'm in Target right now. They've got all the boxes and the Christmas stuff is going out. I can't wait to show you guys all the stuff they have this year.
He's a dreamboat of a man, my own sweet buttercup. I'm just so red.
Here are some home decor items you don't want to miss. These beautiful signs. I love that they're also frosted with a little bit of glitter. These are going to look amazing on our built-ins. They also have some larger ones which you can hang on the wall. I'm gonna put some of these by our coffee station, and all of these are just $3. You cannot even DIY it for that price. And be on the lookout for the greenery. They're just a few dollars a piece. And if you love the look of those wooden centerpieces that you see all over Pinterest, but you don't want to have to bother with wood and nails and trying to put it together, an amazing alternative is balsa wood and hot glue. You can find this for about $2 a sheet with your coupon from the craft store. Use an X-Acto knife to cut it down. It cuts really easily like a foam board, but it has the exact look of wood. Use a little bit of dollar store hot glue to put together in any size that you want, and this makes a beautiful centerpiece with some Dollar Tree florals and a few items from the dollar section at Target. Now I know this is a Target video, but my favorite Dollar Tree hack is to use the wired garland ties as really cheap greenery. You get 12 for $1, fold them in half, and stick inside your box. It's done on such a budget and it is so easy. Can't go wrong. I couldn't leave without these mini houses. They're just $3 along with this little faux flocked plant. Do not miss the clothing items this year. They range anywhere from $3 to $5. The scarves are incredible and they're also really oversized, so they make great blankets. Oh my goodness, the pillows. These fly off the shelves. In some stores, they don't even last a few hours. They're only $5 and it is so soft. If you see this in store, you're gonna feel it and you're not gonna be able to leave without it. Trust me. Don't miss these buckets. They're only $3 this year. They have a fabric outside with faux leather handles. You could use these as gift baskets, but I'm gonna be using them to keep fuzzy socks by the door. A friend of mine keeps her socks by the front door because it's so much more convenient, and I thought this was such an elegant way to store them. So definitely be on the lookout for these. I love the tea towels. They are quality and you get 2 for $3, especially this little tassel at the bottom. A few items that also sell out really fast is this Night Before Christmas book. It is beautifully and classically illustrated. This is an amazing gift or keepsake. These buckets are only $3, another item that's selling out really, really fast. And you can combine it with just some Dollar Tree florals, and this is really cute and stately sitting on a countertop. If you guys enjoyed this video and want to do a Dollar Tree shop with me next, you definitely leave it a big thumbs up, subscribe so I can catch you in the next one, and I'll see you guys there. Bye. Maybe I love coffee a little too much. This is a regrettable and totally necessary purchase. Sometimes we leave the dollar section with regrettable but really fun items. It even comes with a slingshot. You excited? Wait, hold on a minute. Wait.